Hello everyone. Today is a very proud and emotional moment for us. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ ಕೃತಜ್ಞ and we are truly grateful. What started as just a dream has now taken its first real step. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ and it feels so special because it's not just a product, it's a part of our vision and hard work. This journey wouldn't be possible without the love and support we have received. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಚ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ, ಈಚ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Sending the first order to our client is not only a milestone but also a reminder that this is just the beginning. ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. And with your continued support, we believe Kritanya will grow beautifully. Thank you for being a part of this journey. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ.